again, Karen, and I'm back! Finally, nakapag-film na rin ako ng bagong video para sa inyo. It's been a month since I uploaded my last video. I'm so busy lately. In today's video, as you can see by the title, how to stay motivated in civil engineering. Paano ba natin minomotivate yung sarili natin? I feel like I can answer this question right now kasi kailangan ko ng motivation. Kailangan ko ng motivation to keep going. Alam niyo yung feeling na sana panaginip na lang ang lahat? All these happenings, ang ginagawa ko na lang, I'm looking for the brighter side. Na once na malagpasan ko to, I'm done. What motivates me is my family. I really want to help my family. Gusto kong maging katulad ng father ko, na someday maging successful engineer. I want to be a structural engineer and have my own design firm. I'm looking forward to take masters also. And most especially, gusto kong magkaroon ng title sa pangalan ko, Engineer Karen. Kayo ba? Ba't kayo nag-civil engineering? Bakit nyo kinuha tong course na to? Mostly, ang isasagot niya sa akin is gusto nyo yumaman. Gusto nyong magkabahay, tulungan ng parents, have a stable job, kumita ng malaki, bumili ng sariling kotse, mag-work abroad, mag-asawa ng maganda. Kailangan nyo magkaroon ng target goal. Isipin nyo yung mga goals nyo sa life. Kahit ilang failures pa yan, don't give up. Isipin nyo yung lahat ng sacrifices ng parents nyo para isend kayo sa engineering school. Alam nyo naman, ang engineering school, hindi siya mura. Madami siyang gastos. Maraming gastos sa engineering school. After 5 years, it's payback time. Ang target goal nyo, after 5 years, I will be an engineer. Magkakalisensya ko and tutulong ko sa parents ko. In the end, you will realize that this battle is worthy of your cries, sacrifices, and energy. Magiging engineer ka. Laban tayo. So that's it. See you on my next video. Bye!